ticking noise and it's really pissing me off. And hopefully I'll get this uploaded to YouTube and then tag it in the forums, and then everyone can help me with my issue because I can't figure it out. It does it under tow, it does it on deceleration. It wasn't doing it when I coasted it in neutral without gear, but it seems to be doing it now. And it's not like a bad tick, it's just annoying light and it's speed dependent. So it gets faster as you go faster and it slows when you slow down, and obviously when you stop it's not there. So what we're going to do is I guess do a little bit of driving. And the only reason I have a massive hole in there is because I dropped the transfer case and my lovely shifter unit stops it from going all the way down. So I gotta do some trimming there. But we will see what's going to happen. Hopefully, it's kind of hard to drive. Definitely there. I was thinking maybe it was a shift, like a linkage. I looked at that. It's definitely not that. It does sound like it's coming towards the front of the transmission, by the motor, of course, by the flywheel. I mean, it could be synchros. It's not U-joints. I just changed all those, so I hope people don't sit there and tell me it's U-joints. I'm just trying to eliminate all the things I've recently done. I mean, I just changed all the fluids and everything, thinking that might be it. I put Lucas oil in it. I ran that for about 1,000 miles, and then I dumped it, and I put Pennzoil, I forget what it is, Synchro Mesh runs pretty good. I am having a little issue. That's a different subject. I'll talk about that later. But yeah, I mean, it just ticks. So we'll do one more run. You guys can help me out, it'd be great. Even if people on YouTube, if you guys know anything on why it's ticking or whatnot, just throw a comment down, I guess, and let me know. But thank you guys. Hope my video's out.